Hey guys, it's me Tracy at TYS Creates. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I have a project that I want to share with you, and this project is being hosted by Michelle Randolph in a Facebook group that I'm in. And what we had to do was to do backpacks and an embellishment book. Please go by and check out her YouTube channel. It's Michelle Randolph. Her YouTube name is Shabby Chic Chick. She has created a cut file for the Cricut machine. She has created a PDF file. If you don't have a cutting machine, you can cut it out by hand. And she has also done a tutorial to show you how to put it together. So please check her channel out. She is Shabby Chic Chick. And so I want to share with you what I did. The paper that I used is this gorgeous paper, Just My Type by DCWV. Love the bright colors in the paper pad. I think it's so stinking cute. I purchased it from Tuesday Morning for $6.99. So let's start with the embellishment book. This is what the front of it looks like, the side, and the back. On the front, I used pieces from the paper pad. I got this rose in a swap that I did a while back, and the trim came from Hobby Lobby, and this typewriter came from one of the sheets in the paper pad, and I fussy cut that out, and it says, "Love, you are rad." So let's open it up and take a look. On this first page, I have some bag toppers, and I created these a while back. I've already done a video on these. This page, fussy cut these typewriters out again, and I used this trim on top that I purchased from, where did I get these? AliExpress. There we go. And so the inside pages, I cut these glue and paint brushes out. I used this from my Cricut machine, and the paint brushes came from a die that I got from My Favorite Things. Again, I just love the colors of that pad. This is the next page. I fussy cut out some school buses, and these buses came from some cardstock that I had. And on this last page, I did 2 flowers. So yeah, love how that turned out. I also have some extra goodies for the person that's going to receive this that I'm going to put inside of the backpack. And this is the backpack. Love how it turned out. As you can see, this is a great size, and this would be a good swap to just stuff with handmade goodies, bought goodies to send out to someone. Love it, love it, love it. Again, look at the paper. So stinking cute. I love it. It says super cool. The trim again came from Hobby Lobby. This bow was gifted to me in a swap. This beautiful flower, Hobby Lobby, and that trim again. And at the top, I put a straw. Love how that turned out. So cute. This is one side. And this is the other side. If I had been thinking, I would have put pockets on both sides, but I didn't even think about that. So the next time that I do one, I'm going to make sure that I have pockets on both sides. And inside this pocket, I have a tulle paper clip. I put the trim around the pocket. I cut out a cell phone from my Cricut machine. I did some shades. And I stuffed some pencils on the side. Love it. And this is the back. Oh, it just looks so fun and festive. And here on this strap, I tied some more of that eyelash trim and this puffy trim here. And this little shaker came from a swap that I got on a tag flip a while back. And I cannot remember the name of the person that gave it to me, but I love it so much. So yeah, and this is the bottom of it. It also has paper on the bottom, and the base of the of the backpack, I used 110-pound cardstock from Michaels. So yeah, I love the way that it turned out. Thank you, Michelle, for coming up with this, and thank you so much for creating that cut file on the Cricut machine. Definitely appreciate that. Love it, love it, love it. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. I definitely appreciate it. And don't forget to check out Michelle's YouTube channel. She is Shabby Chic Chick. Thank you guys so much. You guys have a great crafty day. And until the next video, bye-bye.